goes my sweetheart in with the line.
Get it. He got it, sweetie. Got him.
What? Huge boy, Brahma, no.
Good morning, Matson Outdoor viewers. We are down in Miami today. Right here we got my adorable, handsome brother-in-law, Chuckles, Chuck Norris. He's going after some cichlids, trying to get us some live bait for some peacock bass. Is that right?
Going for whatever bites.
Whatever bites. That sounds good to me. Got my amazing, wonderful husband over there. He's got a net right now. He's trying to look in the water, see if there's anything to dip net close to the water's edge, or possibly some iguanas. And down over there we have the Matson boys. They are trying to catch us some little cichlids for live bait for the peacock bass. It is very, very weedy out here, like a storm has come and mixed everything up. There's tons of coconuts littered everywhere in this water. Maybe we should snag some, take some home and plant them and see if we can have our own coconut trees. But as you guys can see over here, I'm going to zoom into it. Right there on those rocks are two big, enormous iguanas. One looks like a male and the other one looks like a female. Catch 'em all minnow right here, right now. He's got a little piece of bread on his line on a tiny hook. And he is trying to get a small little cichlid right now. Okay, so he moved back over here to spot, and there's already a cichlid. Ready, pull! Oh no, he got the whole bread. Okay, let's reset it real quick. They're hungry. Put it back down. So I put a really, really teeny tiny piece on here. So I'm hoping that they just kind of like inhale it and he can hook them.
Got one!
Nope, no, no. Yes, you do. No, you don't. Oh, he came off. Ivor came over here to fish by us, and he ended up stepping on this huge, massive cane toad.
No, I kicked it.
Look at that.
My toe. Look at it.
This is a cane toad. So if you look right here, oh my gosh.
Okay.
Oh, now you've got 8.
Yeah, he's going that way. Boing.
Anyways, on the sides there, we'll try to do a slow-mo when my husband goes to edit this. But you'll see where he's got these pockets on his side of like his jaws. Those are his venom glands. So if something were to eat him, pus-like stuff would pop out of it, like really nasty pimply stuff. And those are his venom glands, and that's what he uses to get away. The king toad came back up. He's trying to climb out of the water here. Yeah, right there. Those are no good. So if you look right there by the pocket that's above his eye off to the side, you'll see all these pores on it. That is what his venom slash toxins come out of. So if you were to pinch those, all that yucky stuff will come out.
Oh, the orange is back.
We are here at Coral Reef Park in Miami. We're trying this location out to see if we can get any fish. And as we're walking up here, there's a massive iguana that's right up here in front. Big old male. It looked like there was a young juvenile male or a female that was going off this way. Yeah, see right over here in this grass is, I believe it might be a female. But here, let's look at this male right here. It's a big boy. Staring right at me. We're gonna see if we can get him. My husband's over here on the other side of the tree. He made a noose out of the fishing line, and what we're gonna try to do is see if we can maybe get the noose around this iguana's head. So now here in Florida, iguanas are invasive species. So they want them to be captured in a way because they do a lot of destruction. They make their nest in burrows along roadways, so it causes a lot of erosion. Makes it very unsafe. I don't want to move too much because I don't want to spook the iguana. Man, these ducks over here are loud. Here goes my sweetheart in with the line.
I got it around his head.
Okay, we got it around his head. Now will this line hold? Got him. Got him. Got him. Wait, no. Get back. Fisher, back. Back. My husband's got him on the line. We got him. Get back, please. Get back. We got him on the line, guys. We got him on the line. This is a braided line.
He's gonna break the line.
You wanna hold the phone? I'll try to go in with him. I'll try.
Oh, he broke it.
So popular here. I don't have no food for you guys. Some of these ducks got some beautiful patterns on them. Some of them look like you can tell that they're young ducklings, this season's ducks. The hubby is putting on a thicker leader because that other leader broke. It was just a little too thin. The male iguana is still out here. I don't know if we'll be able to have a second chance with him at all. He is now really close to the water. So it might be if we get close enough to him, he'll probably just dive in the water and go to the other side or something. But we're going to try that. It sucks. I was just a little too slow. I was going to try to grab him by his tail and then pin him down so that way he wouldn't be able to do his little death roll that you've seen him do, which is what caused him to break free from the leader. So fingers crossed we'll have a second chance. Not sure what we'll do with it once we catch it. I don't think we're going to obviously not kill it or anything, but maybe hold it, take a picture with it with the kids or something, and then let it be on its way. We're going on an iguana hunt. We're going on an iguana hunt. So that big iguana ended up swimming across to the other side. He's like, hell no, I won't go. So now we're just strolling around nearby area to see if we can find any more. There's actually one that went up this tree. You can see it right up there. But obviously we're not climbing up a tree right now. So we're gonna see if there's any over here. I see a nice bright green one over there on that side across the water. But we seem to be on the wrong side. There's one of those lizards that we say that run on their hind legs, those Jesus lizards. Right up here on the branch. Oh, we went on the other side. Spotted some baby duckies. They're so cute. There's so many. Let's see if I can get a close look at them without Mama attacking me. Look at them. They're so adorable. Please don't attack me. I'm just looking. I promise. Oh, there's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I think that might be 15 over there. 15 like baby ducks. Fisher's tossing flowers and the duckies think it's bread.
Can I get one? Uh-oh, the mom duck's here.
Oh, look at all of them. They're so adorable. Mama duck's like, don't fall for it. Going over here, Fisher almost got attacked by Mama duck. That's pretty funny. But Sweetheart told me that there's an Oscar, like an actual Oscar fish over here along the shore. So we're gonna try to keep an eye on it so we know where it's at so we can try to capture it and possibly bring it home. Oscars are an aquarium trade fish, so they're not supposed to be out in the wild. So it's most likely it could have been someone's aquarium fish, and Oscars are aggressive, so somebody could have released it. Or it could be one that ended up hatching out here. Someone like threw a few Oscars or so. They bred and had babies, and it could have been one of those. Who knows? But I am not seeing it. I've seen a few peacock bass, but I am not seeing the Oscar that he was talking about.